Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I will be creating this look, and this is inspired by none other than Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. This is her first red carpet look in Cannes Film Festival 2018, and she looked like a butterfly. She looks so pretty. Oh my god, her dress, her makeup is just glam.com. So I did my best to recreate her look, and if you guys want to see how I do this, then please keep on watching. So as you can see, I have done my base makeup first, and I'm starting up with my brows. So first I'm filling my brows with the Sigma Brow Powder Duo. Now for my eye makeup, first I'm taking the PAC eyeshadow number 07. I'm applying it on my crease with the blending brush. This is PAC 204. Now taking the PAC eyeshadow 09, I'm applying it on my crease just below the previous shade. Now blending out my crease with a clean blending brush. To intensify my outer corner, I'm using this PAC eyeshadow number 10, applying it on the outer corners only with the same blending brush. Now taking the PAC big eyeshadow number 15, I'm applying it on my eyelids. Again going back and blending it on my crease so that there is no harsh line. Applying the same shades on my lower lash line with the same blending brush 204 by PAC. Now I am tightlining my eyes with the Plum Kajal, also applying it on my waterline. Now blending it with the PAC eyeshadow number 10 on my lower lash line. Now with this sugar eyeliner, I'm making a thick wing. Applying the NYX glitter primer above the eyeliner. And now applying this glitter by phases. I'm using the purple as well as the teal shade. Applying some mascara. This is by Maybelline. And for falsies, I went with the PAC M54. For bronzer, I'm going with the Faces Face palette. I'm using the blush from the same Faces palette. Highlighting my face with the highlighter from the Faces palette. Also highlighting my inner corners and the brow bone. And lastly, for the lipstick, I went with the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade Red Rum. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked my effort, and if you did, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please share this video. I hope to see you again on my next video. Till then, take care, love you all. Bye guys.